Today we're going to talk about recuperation in your new Taycan. Recuperation is taking the braking force and turning the electric motor into a generator and putting that power back into the battery. Or when you come out of the throttle, the overrun, that resistance that you feel, will also turn the electric motor into a generator and put power back into the battery. I'll show you how to adjust the recuperation. Here you go to Vehicle, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see this little icon here that says off with a battery with an arrow around it. Select that, and we would go to Recuperation On. Recuperation On feels a bit maybe like a 718 Boxster or Cayman in third gear. When you come out of the throttle, there's a little bit of resistance in the vehicle. Recuperation Auto is a little bit more aggressive recuperation, but it's hidden in traffic. So you really want to use Recuperation Auto when you're in a traffic jam or very, very heavy traffic. And it will use that stop and go traffic to recuperate some of that power back into the battery. Another way to adjust your recuperation in your Taycan is using the programmable key on the steering wheel. To set this up, you'll push down and hold on the programmable key. This pop-up will come up saying change button assignment for the shortcut button. Select that. Here we go. I'm going to go with the steering wheel button, and there are two choices. You can do recuperation on or off, or you can do auto or off, and that really depends on your own driving situation. For me, I'm going to do recuperation on and off for this particular button. You can now use the recuperation feature in your new Taycan.